Vitamin B12. Like vitamins B9 and niacin, vitamin B12 may help protect against problems with red blood cells. Vitamin B12 may also help regulate the amount of phosphorus in the body. Vitamin B complex, which includes B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, and B5, pantothenic acid, is known to support kidney health. Folic acid, another component of the vitamin B complex, found in dark leafy veggies, whole grains, and fortified cereals, is also beneficial for kidney issues. As for the two big secrets about kidney health. 1. Healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight are crucial for kidney health. These can help prevent conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes, which can lead to kidney damage. 2. Limit harmful habits. Smoking can damage blood vessels, decreasing the flow of blood in the kidneys and impairing their function. It also increases the risk of high blood pressure and kidney cancer. Similarly, excessive use of certain over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen and naproxen can cause kidney damage. However, it's important to note that while these vitamins can support kidney health, they are not a guaranteed cure for kidney diseases or conditions like proteinuria. Kidney health is complex and can be influenced by many factors, including diet, lifestyle, and underlying health conditions. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Stay healthy.